Good morning, guys. Let's go. Get that ass up. Let's get some trades going. It's about that time. It's about that time, people. See what we can do this morning. Let's see what we can do. 2 more minutes before the market opens, guys. 2 more minutes. I'm gonna go with one contract this morning. One mini. Just one mini. Yeah. Market is open. Let's go, let's go, let's go. MB Trucker, what's going on, MB Trucker? Tell the rest of your gang to wake their asses up and get to trading. Oh, there they are. There they are. Matthew, good morning. Good morning. What's cracking? Dallas, aka Dallas. Fucking mode active. It's active. It is active. Let's see, let's see. Oh no, Dallas, no, no. Fucking mode is not active. No, no, no. We're on cruise control today. We are on cruise control today. Yeah, and by the way, Bullinox, I guess they went to Rhythmic. I mean, they're in the transition right now. And I don't know, I've heard from a couple people that that chart Rhythmic is kind of, it's putting them through some hoop to log in. So I don't know if I'm going to be an affiliate with them. Excuse me. Look at that. Look at that. What are we doing? Let me see. What are you doing, market? What are you doing? Oh, shucks. Oh, my wife's been on my What are we doing, market? Let's see. What's not going nowhere? It's staying in this range. 41, 41 and 59. That's a hell of a candle, though. That's a hell of a candle. Sideways trend, says Matthew. Yeah, it's a hell of a candle. U.S. in control oil dollars. Keeps pressure on Iraq over Iranian influence. Yeah. Whatever. Make this market move. Shut up. That's all I care about. I think about it this way, guys. Once we start getting payouts, are we really gonna care about the economy? Are we really gonna care about what costs us so much? Are we really gonna care about stuff like that? Our only thing is we're gonna care about making some good trades. That's all we're gonna care about. All right, I think we are done. Right? It's shot at swap. Let's go with this. Let's do this. Oh, you know what? Let me put the other line. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, guys. Let's get it done. Okay, so we're only doing 1 mini this morning. 1 mini. I'm telling you, Dallas, the fucking mode is not active. We're doing 1 mini. 1 mini. That's it. That's all. Oh, man. In case you guys are wondering what am I trading, I am trading my funded futures. Let me put it down here. My funded futures. The K account core. $77. It's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, I like the plan. It's an end of day account. What is it? 80-20 split at the payoff. There's no buffer. So once you get funded, you know, there's no buffer. They want you to trade 5 days, 5 winning days of I think 100 or $150 a day. So after the fifth day that you're green, you can ask for a payout. They pay with Rice. Rice is just another form of payment, like PayPal or something like that. But I like it. I like it. It's not bad. I like the rules. You can trade the news. You can scalp. It's not bad. It's not bad. Um, the platforms that you can trade on is Tradeovate and TradingView. So if you're not used to Tradeovate or TradingView, uh, yeah, it's kind of you're stuck in not wanting to get this account because Tradeovate is it's a little old school. It's not draw friendly. So the candles move differently. So I know some people say a chart's a chart. No, no. You'll see the difference. I was gonna get an Apex account yesterday because their evals are so cheap, but since I got my ass whooped yesterday, I said, yeah, we're gonna do this again. It's just consolidation. And Q, that does nothing for nobody. Stop messing around. Give us a direction. Could that be the bounce? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Gonna retest the 200 EMA. Oh, okay. Cool. Cool. That is the bounce, guys. Bounce. The George bounce. Oh crap, today's Friday. What the hell am I doing trading Fridays? Son of a biscuit. Yeah, Matthew. Fridays are never a good day for me. The Critter bounce, the Bradley bounce. Need is about to hit. Need is about to hit. Dallas, are you parked, Dallas? Because Need is about to hit. Who the hell's Need? Oh, News is about to hit. Oh, okay. What time is News, Dallas? You guys see what I mean? Tradeovate doesn't have nothing that tells us we're going to have news. Where Project X or Topstep uh, tells them on the chart, hey, at this time we're having, whatever news, whatever announcement. Okay, there. I guess that was news right there, huh? 6:45 with the flashing candle. Yeah, it's just consolidation. Another news at 7. Okay, cool, cool. Come on, Bati. Hey Dallas, if you're gonna stay in California for the weekend, you're probably gonna get a phone call to help them out with some Moreno Valleys to Paramount. A lot of people are dropping off from them loads because Paramount is taking forever to offload us over there in Paramount. It's going to Ralph's, so just be aware of that. I got one for Sunday, and yeah, I'm giving that sucker back. Yeah, Night and Swift. Yeah. I seen yesterday that they had two of them on the board, but yeah, there's a lot of people dropping off from them loads right there. Yeah, but Rouse used to be quick. They were on it, but the last load that I did for them, I believe it was this past weekend. Yeah, it was there 4 hours. It was yeah, it was bad. And then there was a few other people there, and they were telling me the same thing. Screw this load, man. We ain't doing this crap no more. These fools are taking their sweet time, which they are. I was surprised because Rouse is just. I mean, I never collected attention from Rouse, but that day I did. And then the bad thing about it too is, if they don't accept you, there's nowhere to park. I was at Geodis by Clorox in Redlands yesterday for 6 hours. 6 hours. Oh shucks! I keep forgetting about Geodis. I gotta call them up because I see their loads all the time. But I like their little runs that they have. They got small runs. They have their own trailers too, right, Junior? Maybe I can talk them into give me a power only. Oh my goodness! Come on, NQ. Yeah, I'm gonna start heating them up. I know you sent me that number, so pretty sure I still have that number. I keep forgetting about them. But I got that app Truck Smarter, and I see their loads on there all the time. I just keep forgetting to call. There it is, Geodis. That one's not available no more. Ontario to LA. Yeah, I gotta give them a call. Their computers went down and I didn't get out until 6 p.m. Son of a biscuit. Yeah, you see, you know, they had an excuse for holding you up. Rouse Paramount is just a new system that they've come up with that sucks. It sucks. And then I don't know if you've been there, but lately, but Western Express got that contract. Man, there's not one truck that pulls into that yard that is not messed up. You know, they got missing bumpers, they got missing fairings. Them dudes cannot drive. I waited out traffic and then took off back to AZ around 11:30 last night. Good stuff, man. Or at least you're home. Good stuff, man. Hell yeah. Got here this morning at Walmart DC Buckeye at 5:30 this morning. Oh, shucks. See, that would have been nice, Dallas, if you had a Knight or a Swift trailer. It would have been a dropping hook. Dundada. Yeah, this market is crazy this morning. It is crazy. It's not doing nothing. Somebody yell at it. Somebody do something. Matthew, go give them people some Red Bull over there in the East Coast. Holy crap, Dallas. What time was your appointment? Well, I look at it this way. If you're not going to push anymore, if you're going home after this, I mean, you're good. You're good, Dallas. The Rash is yelling at it right. Who's the Rash? Who's the Rash? Angel? Angel? 7:30. You're almost there. You're almost there. Let's do some trading before your appointment. Yeah, Matthew, we got all three of these guys they're traders and truckers, just like you and I. They're on Top Step. Dallas and MB Trucker, they're on Top Step. Well, could we be finally breaking out of this son of a biscuit? Is there anything on the upside? Let's see. There's plenty to the upside. Plenty to the upside. Okay. Yeah, there's plenty to the upside, guys. The Grumpy Trucker, what's cracking, the Grumpy Trucker? Where you at, Grumpy Trucker? I know the other day you were freezing somewhere. Somebody got to get it done, Trucker. I mean, Grumpy. I don't want to be a trucker anymore. I want to be a bum. I'm on Take Profit Trader. Oh, okay, cool. That's right. That's right. So, what are you using, Matthew? A TradeOvate or TradingView? I'll be honest, Dallas. Yeah, that's the bounce, but I would not. I would have not seen it. I mean, I didn't see it. double bottom. Yeah, there you go. Double bottom. 1, 2. Yeah. I seen the same thing, Matthew. I seen the same thing. Could we be breaking out now? Finally. After a half an hour. So basically, let me see. It looks like we're finally breaking out, guys. Finally breaking out. Well, breaking out to what? There's really nothing up there. There's really nothing up there. So there's the news. There's the news. I mean, I have nothing, guys. I have nothing right now. I have nothing to say. Tradeovate integrated on TradingView. You know, Matthew, I think because my wife uses TradingView, but I see a lot of slippage on TradingView. Because I'm always comparing the charts side by side, and I'm always seeing slippage on TradingView. So keep your eye on that, Matthew. There's been a couple of times, well, there's been a lot of times, well, she'll put in a trade and it'll take maybe a second or two after she clicks, and then oh shit, hold on, guys. And then it'll put her in a trade, but it won't be where she wanted to put the trade. That's what I mean by slippage. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? Oh, okay. So can you be going to the top? Can you be going to the top? Which is 720. Okay. Okay, let's see if it goes up to 720, guys. Let's see if it goes up to 720. I'm gonna put my mouse there. So from 720, I will be watching for it to start dumping. Why? Because the way I see it, okay, the way I see it, buyers brought the market up, sellers brought it down. Buyers brought it up, sellers brought it down. Buyers are bringing it up to this level right here, this general level, right? So there's no need to buy. There's no need to go long. We have to go short because the sellers have control of the top of the market up here. Does that make sense? 213, good morning, good morning. So 720, we said 720, right guys? 720. Man, that's a nice trend to the upside though. It's about to hit 720, guys. About to hit it. So if you went long, oh yeah, you made some money on that trend right there. Here comes the shorts, guys. Here comes the shorts. Alrighty. So I am going to take a short. I'm going to take a short because, remember what we said? 720s. It wasn't going to go above 720s because what? The sellers have taken over that. I'm waiting for the retrace. Yeah. 30 seconds left on that candle. I'm with you, Matthew says. 727 is all resistance level. Good stuff. 727, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's just, I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait for this next candle to build. It's a doji candle. Body on the top, wick on the bottom. That tells me that the market is gonna keep stretching to the upside. But I could be wrong. Or could this just be a small pullback, you know? Let's just wait. We need confirmation. We need confirmation. No fucking mode today. No fucking mode. Got 7 seconds left on that candle. Just doing a little consolidation, guys. So they're trying to fight for that spot. Who's gonna take over it? The sellers or the buyers? That's all they're doing. Just give it time. Give it time. " 213 says you jinxed me yesterday. Blew my account following your fucking attitude. Oh shit. That was that was Dallas 213. That was Dallas. Hey, I'm with you. I'm with you. I blew my account too. Oh shucks. Yeah, Dallas came out with that bucket attitude. not 213. Let's no more fucking attitude. Let's get this done, man. Let's get this done. No more of that. Well. Angel, yell at the damn market, Angel. Make this son biscuit do something. Come on, peoples. Move it. Let's go. Let me see. What do we got going here? My God, Macro Point. Fuck you on, Macro Point. Go away, dude. This new Macro Point that they got going. Oh man, it's freaking irritating. They got a bot calling you. I kept telling that stupid bot yesterday, let me speak to a person. I know you want to speak to a person, but I'm here to help you. 213, yes, no more fucking attitude. Gotta make this money. Market is printing money every day. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It was crazy yesterday. It was nuts. When I blew my first account, I was like, it's over. I'm done. And Dallas didn't help. What are you doing, market? What are you doing? But then again, it's Friday, guys, and this is what I normally get on Fridays. Nothing. I gotta get a little scalp just to put some kind of money on the board. But for me, Fridays and Mondays, I think my wife jinxed me because Fridays and Mondays I never well, not never, but most of the times I don't have a trade, or if I do, it's just a small trade, which is not good. Let me stretch out my lines. I lost track of time. I lost a day. I thought today was Thursday. And it's Friday. Dallas said, everybody hit your fucking mode button. Oh shit. No, that was was cool though. It was cool. Shots. Okay, 7 seconds on that candle. You know what? I'm just gonna wait for it to retest the 5 minute high, and then to break out again. Cause I just don't trust this market right now to go on a short. Cause it's just consolidating, And right now I'm just guessing that it's gonna keep going short. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to come back and retest, and then I'm gonna wait for the breakout to the upside. I don't wanna. It's not. It's not giving me a direct trade. A direct uh, uh, a view of what it's doing right now, because it's hesitating too much. So no need to guess. We don't have the fuck it mode button on. No more of that. No more of that, Dallas. But I mean, even if I don't get a trade this morning, I'm cool. I'm okay with that because it's Friday, and Fridays are. I leave Friday for the professionals. I'm not a professional, so we'll just wait. Grumpy says, out of curiosity, did you quit smoking? What are you talking about, Grumps? Look at this. Special delivery, Mentos, Mentos. Here in communist California, they don't sell Mentos, but yeah, I got me some Mentos. All the way from Arizona. No, I'm not quitting anytime soon, Grumps. I'm not. No, hell no. I tell my wife, let me die of something that I like doing. Uh, 213 says if it doesn't break the last high, it will pump 730, 740 ish. It's Tokyo's high. What is this? 730 and 740. Okay. 730 and 740. Yeah, it's just you know, uh 213 for me. Fridays are Fridays are something else for me. It's a fight. It's a fight. Fridays. It's not really. Fridays and Mondays are not really a trading day for me. No, but I see what you're saying. I see exactly what you're saying. 213. But for me, it's not. Uh, Look at guys. Look at. This is what I look at. It's all consolidation. It's not. It doesn't have a direction. It's all consolidation in this box. You want to trade that stuff? That's fine. Oh, shucks. I took off my damn lines. Where are my lines? Where are my lines? 631, 630. Okay. Okay, where's 634? Right there. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right here. Just consolidation. No need for me to spin my wheels trying to get a trade off of that. It doesn't have a direction. So I will sit on my hands and just wait for some kind of direction because it's not showing me anything. Alrighty, alrighty. What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, what did 213 say? 730 and 740s. Okay. Don't buy no longs. Do not buy no longs right now, guys. Remember, this is the top. This area right here is the top. So who owns the top? The sellers. So wait for it to break out completely out of here, and then you can get into a long. But right now, just sit back and watch. Sit back and watch. Okay, 213. There's your 30. Let's see if it hits the 40. All right, there's the 40. It just hit the 40, 740. Let's see if it bypasses that. 43. Nice, nice. We're going up to 750. 750 it is. Holy shit, 760. We're going up to 760. Are we going up to 760? We almost made it up there. We almost made it. Green Globe, good morning, Vic. How are you? We're trying to print some money right now, Green Globe. We're trying to print some money. But everything's great. Everything is great. I mean, we got a good breakout now. Let's see if we can catch a short. Let me see what we got up there. Let's see what we got up there. Do we have anything up there? Let's see. Okay. So we are here. Got this big old gap to fill, guys. Got that big old gap to fill. Okay. We are at 747. Look at this big old gap right here. Okay, 768. 768. All right. Wow. That was a good long. That was a good long. That was a good long. But again, I'm gonna wait for that short. Gonna wait for that short. That might be a good short to come back and retest. Might be a good one. So what I'm looking at, this is what I'm looking at. What is it? 770. If it pushes past 770, it's going to come up to cover this gap. That's what I'm looking at. If it pushes past 770. No trucking today? No, not today. Not today. Being a bum today. I am being a bum today. I'll be out this weekend though. I think the weekends are good for me because after Friday, after everybody gets drunk and goes and crashes out, they're not on the freeway, so it's pretty good for me. Nobody out there, so I get to drive 60 miles per hour, in and out, in and out. Come on, peoples. So what's it gonna do? It's gonna do another consolidation. So check it out, guys. It pumped, consolidated, then it pumped. So what's it doing now? Another consolidation, then it's gonna pump again. Stupid market. Yeah, looks like that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna do some consolidation and then get another pump on the upside. Now we shall see. We shall see. You guys see what I see, right? Came up, consolidated, went up, and now it's consolidating again. So I said 768. If it bypasses 768, then we're going to cover that big old gap on the top. Boy, this consolidation is a killer. Do I think it's going to go higher? I couldn't. I don't know, but I mean, for what it looks like, that's the pattern. Like I was saying, had a trend to the upside, consolidated, another trend to the upside. Now it's consolidating again. So let's see what it does. My thing is, if it passes that 768, it might cover that gap, which is, let me show you. So if it comes above, see 768, it might cover this gap right here. That's my thinking. And there it goes. There. It's not going nowhere. It's still consolidating. It is still consolidating. So I'm looking to go long at 770. Put it that way. We'll give it some space to really give us confirmation. NQ, you're getting too boring for me, man. Do something. Move it. Hold on. Let's go see what YM is doing. Yeah, YM is teasing as well, guys. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let me go get a coffee, guys. I'll be right back. I'm out of coffee. Sorry about that. I forgot about that. To get off mute. Bang that button. 780. Good stuff. Good stuff, Dallas. Good stuff. Yeah, that's the pattern right there. Is consolidation, then a long, a small long. So it did. I'm gonna count this one. 50, 59, 59 to 72. Okay. POW 765 TP was 780. I told you. Fucking mode active. No sound. Is there sound now, Junior? Okay, so I'm looking at maybe 759. Okay, 2772. Okay. 759, 772. Ah! Let's see if I can catch a little long. Let's see if I can break this consolidation right now. And I'll take a little long. 28 seconds on that candle. $18 seconds on that candle. Okay, good stuff, Dallas. Good stuff. You can hear me. Good stuff. You know what? I'm gonna put a limit order on 90. 90 and then sell it at 99. Can we get that? Can we get that? Market said no. Okay. All right. But I'm going to leave my limit order at 790. 790, let me see if it breaks out of there. And then I'll take it probably just 5 points to 795. If it breaks out of that consolidation. Because it is doing a pattern, guys. Consolidation, pump to the upside, some more consolidation, then a pump. Now it's doing another consolidation. So that's what I'm thinking. But if I don't get a trade today, I don't get a trade. No trade is a good winning day. As long as I'm not in the red, it's all good for me. I don't need to get into a trade if I'm not going to stay green. Name of the game, stay green, stay green. I don't think it's ever going to come back down, guys. I don't think it's, the pullback is, it is way down there. Scream at it, Angel. Make it happen. I need some Red Bulls over there in New York right now. We ain't getting nothing. Nada. Okay, here we go. It's gonna break out finally. I think, I hope. It didn't feel me. It did not feel me. Got 20 something seconds left on that candle. $16 seconds left. I'm gonna be 10 seconds left. I don't want to get filled when the candle does not have enough time. I'm gonna push it a little further up. Here we go, guys. I think we're gonna get filled right now. There we go.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're in. We're in. I'm gonna take it about 5 points. You're going the wrong way, dude. Wrong way. Wrong way. Come on, get up there. Come on. Come on. Probably gonna take it up to 800, 10 points. Let's see what we can do here, guys. Okay, okay. Good, good, good. Good, 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 good. 10 seconds left on that candle. 3 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Don't flash. Come on, keep going. Up, up, and away, dude. Up, up, and away. Could be a small pullback. Keep going. 810. Can we get 810? There's almost 810. 810. I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it because it's got movement. It's got movement. Keep going, keep going. Come on, come on. You could do it, the way Angel says. 811. We got 4 seconds on that candle. Next candle's about to pop. Keep going, dude. Go to the upside. Up, 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 up. Can we cover that whole gap? Can we cover that whole gap? Stop bullshitting. Get your ass up there, man. Come on, buddy. Come on, Bati. Come on, Bati. Like I said, it's Monday, guys, so I'm not really looking forward to a big move. If I can just put a little bit of money on this account, I'm satisfied. I mean, it's Friday, not Monday. It's Friday. So I'll take that.
Order filled.
So $240. $240, guys. But this is a big old gap. This is a big old gap that I think eventually it will get filled. Let's see if it does some more consolidation. Because that is the pattern. That is the pattern, right? Trend, consolidation, a little trend, consolidation, and then a little bit of a trend right there. And here comes the consolidation again. Do you guys see that? Does it make sense? And then this is just a big old gap. That is, let me show you guys, which is this gap right here, which I'm thinking it might fill today. It might fill today. I mean, it's almost there. It's almost there. It's trying to bypass this consolidation right here. Let me see. 825. Okay, 825. Let me get up here. 825. Okay, so somewhere up here. So we will see if it'll get up there. Right there. Anybody take that trade? Anybody jump in on that little long? Or is everybody done? U.S. consumers improves more than previously estimated in January. Okay, I'm looking to go long again. I don't know, guys. What was it? 825 there. I'm looking to go long again right there. If it bypasses that consolidation, you know what? Better safe than sorry. I'll put my limit. What the hell? I'll put a limit order at 830. 830 and see if we can bypass that consolidation. If it does, then we'll try to see if we can hit another 10 points. We'll go up to 840. I just learned the point system, guys. There's another trucker by the name of Trucking G. He taught me the point system, which was pretty good. U.S. targets Iran shadow fleet over crackdown on protesters. Trader wants to give us news. I don't want to see news, dude. I want to see when the announcements are going to come out. That way I'll know either to go to go long or to go short. Dallas, go get you some of these. They're pretty good. They are pretty good. Well, there it is again. There it is again, guys. Let's see if I can... if we can get on the same page. A trend, long consolidation, little long consolidation. Here's another long. Let's see if it gets up to 8:30. 24 seconds on that candle. Don't feel me. Do not feel me. No. Relax. Chill out. Chill out down there for a little bit. Bring the next candle. You can feel me then. Right now, I do not want to get filled. 5 seconds left. Alright. Now you can feel me. Got a brand new candle on board. Don't you just love it when NQ plays with you? I don't want to get filled. I do not want to get filled, guys. So if it starts shooting up, I will push my entry away. There's only 6 seconds left on that candle. The new candle's about to pop. Let's see what that one does. But the market is getting weak, guys. Look at the size of the candles. The market is getting weak. But I can't complain. One mini, $240.32 for the day on a Friday. That is not a bad score for me. I can't complain about that. That is not bad at all. 13 seconds left on that candle. This new candle's looking weak as well. But I'm going to push my entry a little further up because of the bodies of these candles. They're looking too small. And that only tells me that the money's not really coming into the market. So no need for me to fight the funk. Okay, that's a good click. That's a good good sized body candle, but it shrank again. Got 12 seconds left on that candle. Don't want to get filled. 5 seconds left. Here comes the new candle. Okay, you're kind of bullshitting. You're kind of bullshitting. Take a direction, dude. Don't pull back. Yeah, I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. Let me pull away from this thing. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm going up to 8:35 because I don't like the way it's pulling back. Mother sucker. It's trying to get up there, but I just don't like it. I don't like it yet. 9 seconds left on that candle. Here comes the new candle. See, them little pullbacks right there is just, I mean, they're not worth it for me, you know? It's kind of scary to gamble on stuff like that. Stay in one direction, you son of a biscuit. I'm going to try it. I'm going to leave it there and see if it'll go.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're in. I don't want much. I don't want much. Come on, dude. Just get your ass up there. Yeah, it's pulling back. That pullback right there is just a killer for me. Up, 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 up. Yeah, it's just might be a big pullback. Don't say that. Don't say that. I needed to get up there. Come on, buddy. You know what? I want to put my TP, but I don't want to put my TP. No, dude, get up. Up, 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 up. Up and away. Don't tell me I'm catching the consolidation, guys. Don't tell me I'm catching the consolidation. Up here, dude. Get up here. 845. Come on. 845. Come on. It failed. It failed at 845, but here, I'm gonna put a limit over there. 13 seconds left on that candle. Here comes the new candle. I got my finger on the trigger in case it pulls back a little too much. But wick at the bottom, bodybuilding on the top, it tells me it's going to keep going long. But it's messing around too much, so that's why I got my finger on the trigger, because if it pulls back a little too much, like there,
order filled.
I'll just take that. So we got $345.64 on that account. It didn't hit my TP, but it's okay. It's all right. It's a Friday, and this is the best I can do on Fridays. Just get little scalps. I'm glad I only have one mini on there, because I mean, there's not much that I can do on Fridays and Mondays. Mondays and Fridays are always hectic for me. Might be a big pullback incoming. Alright, well, let's see 1576. Let's see 1576. I'll give it one more shot, guys. One more shot at another trade. One more. But 1576, Little Chicken, yeah, I think he was right. It's a nice little pullback right there. Nice size candle. Let's see. And my 5-minute highs way down there. Way down there. Will it come? Will it ever come back down? That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Well, it covered some of the gap up here. Not all of it though. It's all right though. It's okay. We'll see what it does. I mean, 15 has got, it's got all this to cover on the downside, which is not bad. Which is not bad. But the question is it gonna come back down? We shall see, guys. Okay, so it's hesitating to pump down from this consolidation right here that it's in. So if it gets past 840, 768, okay. The wife woke up, guys. Don't think she's gonna trade this morning. Yep. So I wonder now, since Okay, we had the trend up, consolidation, trend up, consolidation, trend up, consolidation. I wonder if it's gonna dump, do a little high, then dump, do a little high, then dump. I wonder if that's gonna be the new pattern. What do you guys think? But I am happy. I am happy with my trades this morning. One mini, $345 on a Friday. That's a win for me. That is a win for me. I cannot complain. I know I sound like a tape recorder, but Mondays and Fridays are always hard for me. To get a good trade, they're always hard for me. Not always, but most of the time. Most of the time, it's a mission trying to get a good trade. Good stuff, Green Global. Good stuff. We shall see what happens. Oh my goodness. Come on, market, do something. Do something already. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this account just crawl. I'm just gonna keep trading one mini. I'm just gonna make it crawl, guys, so we can get a payout on this. I think I like that that way of trading this account. Well, we're doing some consolidation right now. There's no direction, guys. There's no direction. There's no need to get into anything right now. It's just consolidation. Yeah, I think the prop industry has two good accounts right now. One of the prop firms is, of course, My Funded Futures, and the other one is Lucid. They have the same accounts, except Lucid it's a little more expensive. But My Funded Futures, the core account, the 50K account, the one I'm on right now, it's pretty good. But Lucid has the same account. It's just $10 more. But it's pretty good if you want to pay out. I think this account is pretty good. What a consolidation. What a consolidation. Somebody go give New York some Red Bull or some coffee so they can either start selling or buying. This is all the action they gave us this morning. I mean, but yeah, it did go up, guys. It did go up. Look at from 569 to 846. That's not bad. That is not bad, guys. That is not bad. If you want a couple micros, man, look at that. That would have been sweet. How much for a 50K account? My funded futures right now has for this one it's $77. And the charts that you can trade it on is Tradeovate and TradingView. But this account, like I said, Lucid has the same account, the same rules and everything, but they're $10 more than my funded futures. But I'm telling you, Green Globe, you want a payout? This is the kind of account that you want. I mean, look it up. Go to their website and you'll see. It's pretty sweet. You can trade news. It's an 80-20 split on the payout, but it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I don't mind doing an 80-20 split. I mean, I paid $77 for the account. You trade 5 days in the green, right? There's no buffer. You don't have to keep a buffer when you ask for a payout. The only bad thing about it, of course, it starts at 50K. And if you take everything out and you're back to 50K, then you got no buffer. So you pretty much have to build your own buffer when you ask for a payout. So it's pretty good. Buy low, sell high. Price is high on higher time frames. Waiting for a downtrend to form. Yeah. I'm doing the same thing, Matthew. I am doing the same thing. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. There's no need for us to put our foot in our mouth and give back the little bit of money that we got. I got $345.64. I'm not giving that back. No freaking way. Not after yesterday. Thanks to old Dallas there. So yeah, I'm not giving that back. But yeah, that's exactly the way I see it. Look at people. This is just consolidation again. So no need to get into that stuff. Just wait for us to have some kind of trend. You know, we don't want that consolidation. We don't want to get into that. Hey, Green Globe, are you the one that's paper trading right now? If you are, no, don't buy an account, Green Globe. Don't buy an account. Stay with paper trading. Because believe me, once you dip into one account, it's like an addiction, you know? You just want to keep buying and buying and buying. If you are still in the process of learning and you're paper trading right now, stay with paper trading. Learn the charts. Learn the way these candles move. Stick with us. Just stick with us. Right, Matthew? Little Chicken, Dallas, MB Trucker, stick with us. Stick around in this channel and you'll learn. I try to explain the way I look at the market. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Whenever you hear, let's take the fuck it attitude, don't listen to us. Just stay away. Don't get in a trade with us because we're on a fucking mode and we're not gonna trade real good. Yeah, Green Globe. No, don't buy an account. Do not buy an account. No. Stick with paper trading. This is no. Learn the market. Because believe me, like I said, it's an addiction. Once you buy an account, you blow accounts and then you're just buying accounts because you keep blowing these accounts. No, learn the charts first. Learn the way the market moves. Learn it first. Don't buy an account. Just stick with paper trading right now. MB Trucker says, of course, I'm here for the long run. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, Green Globe. Don't just hear me out, man. Just hear me out. You know, we're all traders here. We're all traders here, and I'm telling you, this is not. To start buying accounts is not the way to do it. It's not the way to do it. Paper trade. There's nothing wrong with paper trading. Just learn the charts, learn the way the candles move, find a strategy for yourself, and paper trade that strategy. Paper trade that strategy and try to stay green. But buying accounts and you don't know the whole thing. The whole thing. You don't know. You don't have a strategy. You don't have a way to learn. You haven't learned the way the market, the candles move, the way they form. If you don't have the basics, don't do it. Don't do it. Just chill out, relax, keep paper trading. Stick around in this channel, and we'll try to help you out, see what we're trading, and hopefully we can help you out. But right now, just chill out. Matthew says 1 year on paper trading. See, that's the way to learn. I'm not the only one that agrees with this. You can lose a lot of money buying accounts, and I'd hate to see that. Believe me, it's not a waste to buy accounts. It's not a waste. It's a waste when you don't have a strategy. You can't read the candles the way they're forming. And you buy accounts and you just start blowing accounts because you think you have it. And then next you know you're in the hole. Well, you're not in the hole, because if you're smart, you'll keep your day job, but you've already paid $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in buying prop firms. Not good. Paper trade is easier. Paper trade, and then try to study your trades. Whatever trade you put on, try to study it. Record your trade, and then study it. Whether it was a winner or loser, just study it. See why you got in that trade, what it is that you've seen. And then if you're on TradingView, you can backtest. You can backtest all that. You can backtest that day, and then on the weekends, backtest as well. That's what I used to do a lot. I used to backtest a lot on TradingView. Man. I would back test my ass off on TradingView. That's the good thing about TradingView, that you can back test. You can erase your screen from here this way, and then press play, and then this stuff will start popping up, which is pretty good. Pretty good, if I should say so myself. Haven't made it myself yet, so back to work. See you all Monday. Good stuff, 213. Good stuff. Good stuff. I hope you're green for the day, bro. I hope you're green for the day. Yeah, but I'm going to make this account crawl, guys. I'm going to stick with one mini. Good stuff, Green Global. Good stuff. I'm going to stick with one mini, and I'm just going to trade this account with one mini. That's it. That's all. Even on the funded part, I'm going to stick with one mini. I'm going to make it crawl. Well, could we finally be breaking to the downside? Again, this is still a bunch of consolidation right here. Still a bunch of consolidation. Look at from here to here. It's just consolidation. I mean, you could trade it, but to me, it's just consolidation. I want a direction. I want some kind of trend in order to get into a trade. But maybe it's coming down to this consolidation right here, which we shall see. We shall see. Okay, it did break this consolidation now. It is breaking through it. But again, this consolidation right here, it consolidated, and then what did it do? The buyers took over. So be leery about this consolidation. What we want is to get to the bottom, to break out of the bottom, and then we know that the sellers are in effect. They're taking control of that consolidation. But right now, we have to be real paranoid, because this consolidation, the buyers took over and pumped the market back up. So what we want to do is for the sellers to come below this consolidation. Then we'll know that they are taking over the market. But right now, look what it's doing. Look, consolidation's here. The wick came down to it. Look who took over the market, the buyers. And look what it's doing right now. It's going up, 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 up. Does that make sense to anybody? Green Globe, does that make sense to you? So here it goes, going back up. It's going back up. She'll see if it breaks through there. But long wick at the top, bodybuilding on the bottom, that only tells me it's going short. So we shall see if it breaks through. It's trying to take a direction, guys. It's trying to take a direction. Let me look at the 15. See, 15. And it can go all the way to 739. Okay, so it's busting through this consolidation right now. 41 seconds. No, that's good, Green Globe. Believe me, if you don't ask, you'll never know. And I'd rather for you to ask and one of us answer you than for you to be guessing whether you're right or wrong. But that's good. Asking. 764. I think it's a dumpster. Guys. 764. Okay, I'm going to put a limit order at 753 to go short. Got 7 seconds left on that candle. We shall see what it does. And 15 is saying it's a short. 5 is saying it's a short as well. So that could be just a small pullback. That's all it could be, just a small pullback. One more trade, guys. I'm going to do one more trade. This will be my last trade. It's already 8:35 Pacific time. So I will be calling it a day after this trade. 13 seconds left on that candle. Are we shooting back up? Is that what we're doing? If it feels that wick, I think we're going back up, guys. It's 44 seconds left on that candle. If it closes above this wick, I think we're going back up. Yeah, we're going back up. We're going back up, guys. Boy, I'm so tempted, but there's only 20 seconds left on that candle. Nine seconds left. Let me see what this other candle looks like. I might go in along. Here comes the new one. I want to see it get above that wick. The body build above that wick. If it does, then I'll go in along. Here we go.
Order filled.
Here we go. What was that? 500. Give me 500. There it goes.
Order filled.
$530. Right there, buddy. Good trade. Good trade. Nice trade. There you guys go, guys. My last trade of the day. That was pretty good. 1,516. I'm out and done. Good stuff. Hell yeah, Dallas. Hell yeah. Good stuff. That's the way to do it. Hell yeah. Yeah, be done. Be done, Dallas. Be done. Because I am done myself. That's it. It's Friday. What's wrong with my camera? Stupid ass camera. I don't know why it gets out of focus. All fuck it mode strategy. All fucking mode. That was not a fucking mode strategy, Dallas. That was not a fucking mode strategy. I said exactly what I was looking for. But anyways, yeah, guys, yeah, $530 and 96 cents, one mini. That's a good day for me. That is a good day. So, yeah, no losses today. That is pretty good. So, we'll call it a day today. Monday, I don't have a load for Monday, so I'll probably be live again Monday. It's Friday, so I don't know if they're going to send me a load later on today for Monday, but if they don't, I will be live at 6:30 to Monday morning. So I'm going to let y'all have the rest of the money. There you go. Thank you. Here, let me bow down. Thank you. All right, fellas. Well, if you're out there driving, drive safe. Be safe. Thank you all for being in the neighborhood. And we'll see you guys Monday.